Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel,
the global recruitment expert.
We help you to fulfill your Canadian dream. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this video we'll talk about
Canada introducing visa-free travel to 13 countries.
So to get all the information, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave us a comment down below. So without any further delay, let's get started. New changes in visa-free travel by Canada. There is a good news for people traveling to Canada. Immigration Minister announcement.
Minister Sean Fraser announced
that Canada is expanding visa-free travel for known travelers. This will make it easier for visitors to come to Canada without a visa, promoting tourism and facilitating family reunions. The streamlined process will benefit travelers and improve processing efficiency. Canada welcomes visitors from around the world with open arms. There are new changes in the visa process. If you have a valid US visa or a valid Canadian visa from the past 10 years, it will only take a few minutes and $7 to get approved. This will attract more tourists, speed up family reunions, and decrease processing times for all applicants. The department will have more capacity to handle the increased volume of applications. It's an extraordinary and highly impactful policy that will redefine Canada's reputation as a global leader in inclusivity and diversity by attracting and accommodating an even larger influx of people. Great news for passport holder of different countries. Passport holders from 13 countries can now travel to Canada by air without needing a temporary residence visa. This applies to travelers who either had a Canadian visa in the last 10 years or currently valid United States non-immigrant visa.
The eligible countries include the Philippines, Morocco, Panama,
Antigua and Barbuda, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Argentina, Costa Rica, Uruguay, Seychelles, and Thailand. It's an exciting opportunity to explore Canada hassle-free and further strengthen the connections between these countries. IRCC update, new steps introduced. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. IRCC has taken significant steps to simplify, expedite, and reduce the cost of the pre-travel screening process. With their latest decision, a substantial number of applications will be redirected from Canada's visa caseload. This redirection allows IRCC to process visa applications more efficiently, ensuring a smoother experience for applicants. The aim is to make the visa process faster, more accessible, and more streamlined for everyone involved. Introduction of pilot program improvement in the visa process. A pilot program was launched in Brazil in 2017, and it turned out to be a great success. The program significantly increased the number of visitors from Brazil by 40% and reduced the workload in IRCC's São Paulo office by 60%. This allowed IRCC officers to focus on more complex applications, making the overall visa process more efficient and effective. The positive outcomes of this program have paved the way for improved services and streamlined processes for applicants and IRCC staff. There is great news: visa-free travel to Canada. Now, let's get into the fascinating topic of visa-free travel to Canada, an exciting opportunity that awaits adventurers like yourself. List of countries, visa-free entry to Canada. Over 50 countries have the privilege of entering Canada without a visa, although most of them need to obtain an electronic travel authorization, ETA. However, citizens of the United States do not require an ETA or a visa when entering Canada by air, unless they plan to work or study in the country. For nationals of countries not exempt from obtaining a visa, they must apply for a temporary residence visa, TRV, also known as a visitor visa. A TRV allows individuals to visit Canada for a maximum of 6 months, although there may be variations for certain foreign nationals. When entering Canada with a TRV, It is important to demonstrate that the purpose of the visit is temporary, such as for tourism or visiting family, at the designated port of entry. IRCC updates on backlog or visa applications. IRCC is currently dealing with a backlog of TRV, temporary residence visa, applications. Around 50% of these applications are not being processed within the expected timeframe of 14 days. The recent strike by the Public Service Alliance of Canada further contributed to the delays. During the 12-day strike from April 19 to May 1, approximately 100,000 applications were left unprocessed. However, the immigration minister is optimistic that IRCC will catch up and return to normal processing times in the coming weeks or months. And with that, we come to today's video. We would love to hear your thoughts on the topic, so please share them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the entire video, and we hope you found the information valuable. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll be discussing more exciting topics. Until then, take care and see you soon.